calcium considered so important? What are the cases of calcium deficiency? How we know that we are deficient in calcium? How to take calcium so that it does not create kidney stones? In this video, I am going to share with you calcium-rich vegetarian foods that have more calcium than milk. We'll keep this video very simple and practical, so without any further delay, let's get started. Importance of calcium. Calcium is vital for keeping our bones, teeth, heart, muscles and nerves healthy. When we don't get enough calcium, it can lead to problems like back and neck pain, joint cracks, weak bones, tooth decay, arteries and even skin issues. Many people suffer from calcium deficiency due to poor diets, weak digestion, certain medications or even lifestyle habits. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, manganese and zinc, which help in absorption and strengthen bones. A study found that incorporating sesame seeds with medication can reduce knee pain by 63%. Sesame seeds also contain a compound called sesamin, which protects cartilage. In winter, they can be used as calcium supplement with gur. In summer, they can be used in various dishes like oatmeal, salads and curries. Almonds. Almonds are surprisingly rich in calcium, providing around 260 mg of calcium per 100 grams compared to milk, which has about 125 mg of calcium per 100 ml. This means that a handful of almonds, about 28 grams, can deliver rawly 7 to 80 mg of calcium, which is significant for a small portion. Beyond calcium, almonds also offer magnesium and phosphorus, which are important for bone health, as well as healthy fats, fiber and protein. While milk is a good source of calcium, the nutrient density of almonds make them a powerful alternative for boosting calcium intake, especially for those who prefer plant-based options. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a surprisingly rich source of calcium, offering about 631 mg of calcium per 100 gram, which is significantly higher than the 125 mg of calcium found in 100 mg of milk. This makes chia seeds an excellent plant-based alternative for boosting calcium intake, especially for those who are lactose intolerant or follow a vegan diet. Not only do chia seeds provide more calcium gram for gram, but they are also packed with other nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein. Additionally, chia seeds contain phosphorus and magnesium, which help in the absorption of calcium, promoting stronger bones and teeth more efficiently than milk alone. Which calcium-rich vegetarian food do you like most? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.